All right, today we're going to talk about what really is the question I get asked almost all the time. Should I wait to buy real estate? And today I've got 4 tools that you can use to help you make the decision, should you buy real estate? And let me just start off by telling you right now, I have to be honest, when I'm dialoguing with people who are looking at buying homes, most of the time, the data and the information that they're processing and using, it's really not that great and reliable, and I really feel bad for borrowers and sellers right now because most of the information is coming off of the mainstream media networks, Fox, NBC, CNN, and I have to be honest with you, Fox or CNN, it's not a political statement, but just most of that mainstream media is just not very good. It's not reliable information. So today, I've got 4 tools that you can use, evaluate these, and you decide if this is maybe an alternative news source that you can use to help you answer this very important question. But always start at the right place. Get a good team of people around you, get a good mortgage lender, get a great real estate agent who is using and understanding what's going on in the marketplace to help you advising this. But let me go into my 4 tools. And by the way, all these tools are from MBS Highway and Barry Habib. Google MBS Highway, Google Barry Habib, and you decide based on the information you read about this organization, are they good, credible, and reliable? I think they're phenomenal. I spend a lot of money to subscribe to this service every year. Tool number 1, road signs. This is a weekly newsletter produced by Barry Habib. It goes out every Monday. It's a service I provide to my real estate partners, buyers, and sellers. Get in touch with me. Send me a note. Give me a call. I'll put you on the distribution list. You'll get it every Monday. You read it. You decide where the information is coming from, and you decide if this tool, Road Signs, can help you make really a hard decision. Do I buy, sell? What do I do in this real estate market? Tool number 2, coming from MBS Highway, buying versus renting. So this tool is going to help us understand the costs associated with buying versus renting. Is it better to continue to rent, or should we buy? And guys, I'm just not making data up here. We're going to use real-world data, real-world cost components, and forecast expectations for market appreciation in homes. And we're going to compare that. Should you buy or should you rent? The third tool that is a great tool, and this tool, what it does is it helps us understand, should we pay points or should we buy down the interest rate on the loan? So we can look at the various components of a loan and we can compare them side by side, and we can decide which one is going to be better for the situation that we're looking at as a seller. And it's about 4 pages long here. I put all this information in and I take it and then we go over it on the phone. It's a great tool. This final tool, the 4th tool, is a great tool. And what this tool is looking at is, let's say the seller is going to offer concessions to you. You could have them pay for closing costs. You could have them buy down the interest rate. You can do combinations. You can do permanent buy downs, temporary buy downs. Let's take that data, let's put it in, let's compare different options like a permanent buy down or a temporary buy down, all using seller concessions on your loan. All right, there are 4 tools that you can use that are real-world, good data-driven tools to help you answer an important question. Should I wait to buy real estate? As always, thanks for checking out my content online. I appreciate it. Please call or text anytime. I love to continue the dialogue. Hope you have a great finish to 2023.